What's up, Buy Smart family? Welcome back to another epic showdown where we pit two gadgets against each other to see which one deserves your hard-earned cash. Today, we have a drone battle royale. In the blue corner, we have the DroneEye F10 foldable drone, and in the red corner, the Holy Stone HS720G GPS drone. Hold on to your propellers, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, the DroneEye F10. At just $79, it's cheaper than a dinner for two at a fancy restaurant. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, making it a great entry-level drone. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS720G comes in at a whopping $299. For that price, you'd expect it to be able to fetch your groceries, right? Reviewers note that it's a bit pricier, but many feel the advanced features and build quality justify the cost. All right, let's talk cameras. The DroneEye F10 boasts a 1080 PFPV camera. It's good for casual photography, but some reviewers find the camera quality lacking. Now, the Holy Stone HS720G flexes with a 4K EIS camera and a 2-axis gimbal. Reviewers rave about its superior video and photo quality, calling it a game changer for aerial photography. Now, how do these bad boys handle in the air? The DroneEye F10 can do 360-degree flips and high-speed rotations. It's practically a flying circus. However, some reviewers mention occasional stability issues. The Holy Stone HS720G, with its powerful brushless motors and a 26-minute flight time, is praised for its stability and performance. It's like the marathon runner of drones, while the DroneEye is more of a sprinter. DroneEye F10 is practically begging beginners to fly it with its one-key start, landing, and altitude hold features. Reviewers appreciate its simplicity and ease of use. The Holy Stone HS720G, on the other hand, is user-friendly too, with headless mode, automatic takeoff, and optical flow positioning. Reviewers find it intuitive and easy to master, even for first-time flyers. Safety first, kids. The DroneEye F10 has a one-key return feature, so you won't lose it to the Bermuda Triangle. However, some reviewers have experienced issues with this feature. The Holy Stone HS720G, it's got a GPS module, optical flow positioning, and smart return to home. Reviewers commend its comprehensive safety features, making it a reliable choice for worry-free flying. DroneEye F10 comes with smart app controls, like voice control and VR support. It's like a video game you can fly. Reviewers enjoy these fun features, but note occasional connectivity issues. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone HS720G steps it up with Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest modes. Reviewers love these advanced features, likening it to having your own personal drone paparazzi. Reviewers find the DroneEye F10 to be an affordable and fun option, especially for beginners, though it has some limitations in camera quality and stability. The Holy Stone HS720G, while pricier, is praised for its superior camera, stability, and advanced features, making it a great choice for more serious drone enthusiasts. And there you have it, folks. The DroneEye F10 is your budget-friendly, fun-loving drone, perfect for beginners and casual flyers. But if you're looking for that high-tech edge with stunning 4K footage and advanced features, the Holy Stone HS720G is the way to go. So which one are you picking? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and stay smart. Product links are in the description.